Alrighty, hola, and welcome to another kasiloose video. Today we have the sort of the highlights from the case G 2021. Yes, it is there in front of you. Yup. So we start with the new casting of 2021 DA Van Snyder. Yes, it is. This looks. Look at that. Full of chromey goodness. Kasiloose. Focus up a bit. Come on. Focus it up. There you go. DA Van Snyder. Yeah. Not really my cup of tea actually. What this car reminds you of? Put down in the comment. Yup. Let's take a closer look. There you go. All chrome. No windscreen part on everything. So I assume there's no what do you call it? Inside details. Big wings at the back there. And you can move it there for the loops when playing in the track. So there's no interior at all. Yeah, Van Snyder. It looks cool. It's okay. Some of you may like it, some of you may not. But there you go, the DA Van Snyder. Moving on. We're going for this one, the Rally BAJA crawler. First time appeared in the main line. Previously, you can see in the team assortment of the Fast and Furious Spy races, right, with all the moving parts and all. But this is the first time in the main line. HW screen time. Yes, yes. Kasiloose. There you go. That looks cool. Love how the black one, the black solid color there, the sort of like a matte color. Beautiful chrome on the exhaust, the grille, side exhaust. Awesome, awesome. Let's go into the details, shall we? Focus up a bit. That. Not sure if it has an interior because the windscreen are dark, so dark, definitely cannot see inside. So not sure if there's an interior. So here's part of the base, which is chrome. Nice there. Look at the silhouette. Got a bed. Interesting. Yes, it is. For those who like the Fast and Furious Spy races. There you go. The Rally BAJA truck. The BAJA crawler. The Rally BAJA crawler. Yup. First appeared in Case G. Next we're going for. Oh, look at that. The recolor of the Dodge van. Casting by the late Rio Asada. Now in Moon Eyes Yellow. Yes, it is. Awesome. Kasiloose. Look at that. Beautiful. Chunky goodness. Also the a little bit red on the, what is it called, the tail light there. Not so good actually, but the details on that, wow. With a chrome interior. Yes, it is. And let's take a look at both of the colors. Look at that. That is beautiful. We have a Moppa, moon eyes and everything. They look good together. Yes, it is. One has the chrome 5-spoke, another has a gray 5-spoke. Yes, 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 yes. If a sort of a dark tinted, and you can see that the what's it called, go-kart, 2-seater with a go-kart. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love the grill there. Yep, that's the Dodge van in yellow moon eyes. Put it side by side there. There you go. Next we're going for the yellow Volvo 850 Estate. Yup. Also a recolor, kasiloose. Love the casting. Look at that, with a break of black there, which is part of the interior. Headlights, tail lights, stock color yellow. Dark interior, same wheels used, and first appeared in red for this year. Next comes in yellow. The same black interior, color brake and everything. Same wheels. Wow, nice, beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's the Volvo 850 Estate in stock. Moving on, Diora 2, the regular trash hunt for case G. Yes, it is. Kasiloose. There you go. The circle flame logo, the silver circle flame logo, and the casting itself. Really love the blue metallic there. Hot Wheels. So very nice. Yes, it is. Look at that. Wow. Chrome interior. The circle flame logo there. You see that on both sides. Chrome interior, slightly tinted windows there, surfboard, and a big stonking engine at the back. So if you can see below, it says 1999 2020. So there's a change to the casting. You guys can comment down below, what do you think is the changes made to the Diora 2? Is it previously is a metal base, or you can remove the surfboard there? You guys can comment down below. Yep, those who love Diora 2. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful blue. Nice, 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 nice. That's the Diora 2. Next, now this looks awesome. The La Troca art cars. Black and gold. Wow. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. The color combination is fantastic. Wow. Gold base there. Black body with gold pinstripe and art deco there. Wow. With a gold interior actually. Let's take a closer look. Look at the wheels there. Is it different type of wheels? No, it's basically the same wheels. That is beautiful. Look at that. With the H on top, the pinstripe is awesome. Wow, wow. Look at that go. So this is not a new casting, but look at that, the 2020. So there's a usually if there's a retool or something like that, they put the year where first it made and subsequent years. So maybe like 2000, 2002, 2020, something like that. But just 2020. Maybe there's not enough place to put it. I have no idea. But yeah, okay, 2020 La Troca. Look at the grills there. Wow. Beautiful. This color is beautiful. Look at that. The shine, the gold. Looks premium. Yep. Awesome. The La Troca. And we're coming for the last two, which is the new casting for 2021, the Nissan R390 GT1, not GTI, GT1. Thank you for those who correct me on this part here. It's a GT1. Look at that. Factory fresh. Kasiloose. There you go. Beautiful headlights. And you can see the tail lights. Sits very low. Almost sort of like a flat. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. It looks okay with this 5-spoke. That you can see the lines there. You can see the detail of the lines. That front, the Nissan. Look at that, beautiful. How many seater are there? There's a 2-seater. Wow. Simple base. That's the tail lights. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. The Nissan R390 GT1. Wish it had the side mirrors there, right? Crazy looking car. Yep. Nice. And the last one, for those who like the JDM, the 70 Toyota Celica. Look at the in sort of like what's the color of the green? This green. Wow, with a copper rims there. Nice, kasiloose. Really love the green. Look at that. Wow. With the headlights using plastic insert, so you can do the decoration on the side, on the top. Yep. That very vintage looking Japanese car. Look at the side there. The JNC, is it? Celica. So I can read this one. Hot Wheels. But look at that. KaidoHouse. The brand name of Jun Imai. KaidoHouse. Look at that. Nice. No tail lights tempo there, which is a shame. Look at plastic insert for the headlights. KaidoHouse. Love the green. What does it say actually? Not sure. You guys can comment down below what exactly does it say. It's the Celica, I think. Yep. and what is it? Moon eyes? Very small moon eyes? I have no idea. Too small for me. Look at the custody. 2012. Yup. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome. Yup, definitely a highlight for me in case G. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So there you go. Kasiloose from, I believe, highlights of case G. And you might want which you might like from the case itself. Yup. So what do you guys think? Yeah, G is not really that. It's okay. It's an okay case, but there you go. Awesome cars that can do kasiloose too. Yup. So if you haven't subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want, definitely give a thumbs up, comment down below. Yes it is. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.